Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Yes, I have more cases for my iPhone XS Max. This time I got cases from Supcase, that Unicorn Beetle series. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the iPhone XS Max. You're looking for some cases. Supcase makes some great cases for your phones. Shout them out for actually sending these three cases to me for a review. They sent me their Unicorn Beetle Pro series. It has a clip holster in there and a kickstand. Then they sent me their Unicorn Beetle designs, two different ones. We definitely gonna review both of them. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. I will have the link in the description. I'm gonna save the hardest one for last. And then I'm gonna start with these two here. Bam. So we're gonna start with this one. It's their Unicorn Beetle style in black. Let me pull this up on Amazon really quick too. Bam, there you go. It's their iPhone XS Max case, Supcase, Unicorn Beetle style, premium hybrid protection. Comes in 3 different colors. You can get black, blue, and pink. The black is $9.95. The other two, you can see the prices there. They will be in stock next week. I will have the links in the description. This is Prime eligible, which is great. But let's take out the case. Bam, you get a little thank you in the box. And then here's the case itself. You have your volume rockers here, plus and minus. You have a nice opening for notification. The cutouts look really good too. Then you have your little ridge button for the power. Bam, there you go. Hopefully my G7 is picking that up. But let's see how this case fits. Oh, it's nice and snug. Check out the display lip. It has a little bit, so that will definitely keep it down. I wouldn't slam your phone down, but it should keep your display from hitting the table when you lay it down. Look at the cutouts. You can see that for the microphone, and then also the speaker and the lightning cable, lightning charger. I still want to say the Type-C. Let's check the power button. Definitely works. It's easy to find too, because it has the ridge, the volume rockers. You can hear them. You have enough room in the slider too. Even without fingernails, you can move it up and down with no problem. Man, this is a nice case. So first thing we want to check out, or next thing, man, that's a nice fit. This is too. Alright, so the last thing we always check out on my channel is, will it charge? Bam, there you go. I will definitely have the link in the description if you want to pick this case up. But this is a nice looking case. Nice and simple. Shows off the design of the phone. Bam. Alright, so let's look at the next case they sent me. Bam, there you go. The iPhone XS Max. It's called the Unicorn Beetle Series 2 Premium Hybrid. If you want to pause that, you can definitely read it. Comes in 4 different colors. Black, blue, green, and red. Again, I will have the link in the description. It is Prime eligible. Bam, nice presentation from them. Oh man, this is a nice case. Bam, I'm gonna tell you one thing. They make it a little bit easier to remove the plastic on there. So they have these little tabs that you can easily grab. Alright, so you have your power button here. On the other side, your volume rockers plus and minus. Nice cutout for the slider notification. Cutouts down here look good. The camera, you have these protection bumpers right there on the side. You do have some branding there too. Supcase, bam, there you go. Let's see how this phone fits. That's a nice and snug fit, man. Alright, so display lip. You definitely have enough around the display. Same thing with the camera hump too. And look, it shows off the beauty of your phone. The cutouts look good too. Bam, there you go. Let's check out the power button. Definitely works. The volume rockers work. You definitely have enough room to get into the slider. Just turned it off. Turn it back on. So definitely have enough room. This is a nice case. Let's check out the fit. Fit's actually pretty good too. Oh man, that's a nice fit. One last thing. Bam. Definitely works with wireless charging. So let's move on to the heavy duty case of all of them. Now this case seems to be a favorite for a lot of people. So let me bring it up. Definitely heavy duty case. Bam, it's their Unicorn Beetle Pro series. Comes in 3 different colors. Black, blue, and pink. The black is $19.99. Prime eligible. Bam. Has a little kickstand on it too, which is great. Comes with the screen protector too. Like I said with the other ones, I will have the link in the description. Here's the presentation. This is definitely a bigger box. A lot of stuff in here. So let's see what you get. Bunch of cushion. So here's the case itself. Pull off that plastic. Even tells you how to separate it. Then it even tells you installation guide. Here's the belt clip. Nice, and man, this is gonna be nice. Heavy duty case. So if you're working in construction, this may be the case that you want to pick up. So let me try to separate it. Alright, so once you separate it, just pull off the plastic. There's a screen protector now. If you decide to keep that on, that's great. Sometimes you might want to punch that off. Some people do that. But if you want to, you can definitely do so. But let's look at the plastic part of the case. Look. It even has a little kickstand on the back too. Bam. But let's check out the case. You have your power buttons, your volume rockers. Then this little slider has a little button there too. Bam, a little flap. You have some grip right there. A little brand in there, UB Pro. Check out the bottom. So you have your lightning cable slot covered up too. You have your Ridge power button. Here's some brand in there too. Supcase right there. Same type of grip. And then look at the inside too, Supcase. So this is a nice case. If you work in construction, this case may definitely be for you. I'm gonna try to install it with the screen protector on. That way we can see how the screen protector reacts with the phone. So you just want to put this around. Yes, you want to go around it. Actually fits pretty good. Now will it add some bulk to your phone? Yes, but it will protect it though. So lip action, you don't have to worry about. Same thing with the camera hump. Look at that. The kickstand looks great. Look at the cutouts. Man, they in there too. You can remove this flap if you want to, but I recommend that you keep it on there, especially if you work construction. But this is definitely a nice case. So you have your volume rockers. Let's see if the power button works. Yes, the power button works. Slide up works. The volume rockers work. And then this tab here covers up the notification slide. You can easily get into it. Pretty easy. I would suggest keeping that on there. So let's test out the screen. Seems pretty responsive to me. I think I might keep this on there because I don't have a screen protector yet. But yeah, definitely this is a nice case. Gives you that protection. I wouldn't worry about dropping it. 2.4 definitely will protect your phone. Let's see if it actually can wireless charge. As you heard, it was able to wireless charge your phone. So this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Then these two are their Unicorn Beetle different size cases. Bam. And then we have the last one. This is more like a bumper case. I will have the link for all 3 cases in the description. That way if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. One other thing I want to show you, the clip. Bam, that's a nice case. Put that on your belt. You don't have to worry about dropping it at all. But like I said, I'll have the link in the description for all 3 cases if you want to pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone XS Max. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.